Okay, so the story is that I had one of these, which is great. Bit holder for bit extension for a leatherman, but I brought one of these, which is the ratchet, which is way better. I was trying to work out what to do with this, so I made this, which is a PETG 3D printed handle, and that, where's it going? Come on. There it is. That goes in like that, and that will now slot in there and work as a really good screwdriver. And if I take any of these, they fit really neatly in there. They'll also fit in there really neatly, but that's just a standard screwdriver. This kit lives in the glove compartment of my vehicle. Super useful for that. And this will just live in the glove compartment as an added extra. I'm not going to keep it with that, but I'm quite pleased with that. Works okay. I need to change the shape around here to make it a little bit bigger, but it works pretty well. What do you reckon?